Welcome back. I've got some wig tea for you today, guys. This is a brand new unit from a brand new collection. You want to know the details? Go ahead, pull up a seat, get comfortable, and watch me work. Hi friends! Welcome back to yet another installment of Tiffany Baby TV. I have a new wig to show you today. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that button, ring that bell so that you don't miss any of my future videos that I'll be bringing to you guys. This is a brand new wig from a new wig line called the Versa Collection. This is the packaging that this unit came in. I have Angela. This is what she looks like on the box. I have her in the ash blonde color, so I'm really excited to take a look at this new wig and to see what this new line is looking like. On first impressions, she's a lot more gray than I was thinking she would be. I was expecting more of a blonde, but I do really like this color. It's very pretty. It's a lace unit. It's got ear-to-ear lace, front to side to side. That hairline looks really good at first glance. I can see straight through it, so it's not super duper dense right in the beginning. That's always a good indication. I don't have very much parting space though. I would say 2 inches from the hairline maybe that you'll be able to part that. We're gonna go ahead and cut this lace off. All right, now that we have her lace completely cut off, this is a soft lace unit, so that is also great news. I wanted to show you guys her cap construction. So inside the cap, it's pretty standard, you guys. She's got 2 combs about at the temples. There's a small amount of lace in the front, which is also great for being able to pluck and customize that hairline so that you get a natural looking hairline right in the front. She also has a comb in the back, and then she also has the adjustable straps that we are all accustomed to. Let's go ahead and get Angela on. I'll go ahead and give you my initial thoughts, then I'll go ahead and start to customizing it and making it look real good for you guys, all right? In running my hands through it, I did get kind of a lot of shedding, you guys. That could have been from me cutting the lace. I did cut it a little bit haphazardly, so I will not hold it against the unit unless it continues to shed over the next couple of days as I wear it. I do love this wave pattern, and as you can see, this color is beautiful, you guys. It is not quite blonde. I would say it's more of a nutty blonde or maybe a charcoal ashy blonde. I do think that that hairline looks really natural. I haven't done anything to that yet. These waves feel super nice. She's very lightweight. The cap is very comfortable. I would say this is a medium to a large cap. There's plenty of space in it. There's a lot of stretch here. So I think the next thing I'm gonna do is to go ahead and customize this hairline a little bit. Alright, so without gluing or plucking or doing anything to it, which I am still going to do, my first impression is that this is a nice unit. It's a nice, easy, beginner-friendly unit. The only con that I am getting is that there are filler hairs right here, and I can feel them. I'm not sure if you can see them, but that texture does feel distinctly different from the rest of the hair, and that's just because it's the filler hairs. So I'm going to apply a little bit of heat to that and see if I can smooth those out as well. I went ahead and used a little bit of Got2b glue to lay this down just so that that part could melt into my skin and look seamless, like it's growing from my scalp. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of heat here with my wand curler just to help smooth this filler hair situation down on top. But my husband just came in and said, I really like that wig. So I really like this wig too, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and make it look as good as it possibly can. And I have my wand set to 390 degrees, so just below the 400-degree recommendation on the stock card. All right, so we are done customizing this unit. Angela is bomb, you guys. As you can see, she's absolutely gorgeous. I love these highlights here in the front. That color is just really pretty. I'll come up so you guys can see exactly how long she is. I want to show you my favorite part of Angela. You haven't even seen it yet. Look at the back, you guys. Here she is from the side. So, I really like this unit, you guys. It feels really good. For it to be a new line, I see that they're only going to go up from here. If they can do something about this parting situation, I would have absolutely no complaints about this wig. I absolutely love the cap construction, the fit of it, the way the hair is. It's a light yaki texture. It's not silky, but it's not coarse at all. I definitely would recommend this, and I would absolutely purchase more wigs from this collection. Overall, I'd say this is a Tiffany Baby approved unit. She was very, very, very affordable. So I will leave links below on how you can purchase this unit. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them below for me. I love you guys. Thank you so much for your support and for spending some time with me today. As always, have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Bye.